Hello everyone, welcome back to another art time lapse. Today I am doing a DIY Christmas ornament based on Studio Ghibli's Kiki's delivery service. So for this piece, it's actually just like a fun, quick piece. I picked up my wooden ornaments from my local art store, but they also have it at the dollar store as well as online if you want to pick it up on Amazon. And these wood pieces work really well with acrylic, so if you ever plan on doing painting on wood, certainly can't do a watercolor because of how porous the wood is, so adding watercolor would not be great, but I think acrylics actually work really well, especially if you don't mix in a lot of water in it. So here I'm using some Posca markers that I picked up at my art supply store. These are acrylic markers, kind of like adult Crayolas, and they're just so much fun to paint with. They're like really easy and you can bring it to your coffee shop and just draw the day away. So I am really grateful that I accidentally stumbled onto these at my local art store. Now, if you're interested in other art supplies that I've been trying and I would totally recommend, check out my YouTube channel. I did do a video of my top 10 art supplies that I would totally recommend trying out if you haven't had a chance yet. So from here, I just want to show you how I do these Christmas ornaments with acrylic markers. This one's based on Kiki's delivery service. I'm doing my first Christmas market coming up in like what feels like many years, but it's actually just like 3 or 4 years. And I wanted to put together some original artwork that I can sell. And I very much appreciate the art process as much as the final product itself. So on this YouTube channel, I really try to showcase how my pieces go from like a blank piece of canvas to the final piece. Hopefully this will be inspirational for some of you who are looking for a DIY craft product or idea to do with your friends and family. This is like a great place to start, whether you are doing a new tradition or you're adding a new Christmas ornament to your Christmas tree on a regular basis or annual basis. So hopefully these videos are helpful for you and inspirational to know that like if you need an idea to start and you're thinking of doing Kiki, you can definitely slow down this video and try to draw along with me. So from here, I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of this DIY ornament inspired by Studio Ghibli's fan art. So here is the finished piece. Thank you so much for joining me on this art time lapse. I think that the white snowflakes in the background came out really pretty, very subtle. So that's it. Thanks for joining me on this DIY Christmas ornament based on Kiki's delivery service, and hopefully I'll see you next time in another video. Stay safe and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.